Welcome to Random Pizza Jokes with me, Papa Za. Each episode will have 5 pizza jokes. You can tell us which one you like the best, or you can tell us which one was the worst. And if you got a pizza joke for us, leave it in the comments. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell.
5.
I've been trying to write a new pizza joke, but I can't work out the delivery.
4.
What did the pizza ask its toppings? Are we feta off alone?
3.
What did the Parmesan say when it broke up with the mozzarella? Sorry, I'm just too mature for you.
2.
Why do people keep pizza in the freezer? To put the ice in slice.
1.
What does a pizza say when it wants to cuddle? Fold me close. Well, those were something. We'll be back with 5 more pizza jokes, hopefully better than those ones. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more.